I'm Jim Morris at T1V. Today we're going to talk about how to use a Microsoft Teams room with ThinkHub. So if your organization is already putting MTR or a Microsoft Teams room, MTR units in rooms, and you want that to be what's used with your ThinkHub, no problem, we're able to support that. So what you'll see here is we have an MTR unit that's here with the touchscreen here on the table or on this shelf. Sometimes you could put it on the table, doesn't really matter, but it's hooked into the ThinkHub. And what we're doing in this situation is we're taking two HDMI outputs from the MTR, feeding those into ThinkHub through two hardline inputs. And one of those will be for video, and the other will be for content, so that you can have video and content. And you might notice with this ThinkHub, we also have our main touch display running the ThinkHub interface, and then we have a dock display. So the idea in a room like this would be, which is the most common that we see, would be when you're in a Teams call, you would want to put the video up here on this screen and then have all of your content and collaboration happening on the large display. So that's what I'm going to demo. So I'm here on the canvas. I'm going to bring up the hardline input that has the video, and I'm going to move that over to the dock, as you can see here. And now you can see, there's a meeting scheduled right now from 12 to 12:30. You can see that here on the MTR also. So I'm just going to hit join. It's going to go and connect us into that meeting. And you'll see there's some people already in the meeting. Hi, everybody. So on this one, we see the remote participants and we see our own camera feed here, small, so we can see what's going on ourselves. So that's the video. Now, let's say I have some content. I want to scroll this canvas down to some content, and I might want to share that to the people that are remote. I just go, as you normally would with any MTR, you go and hit this share button that's right here and click this, tell it to share that HDMI feed. So we're taking whatever is on the canvas is also mirrored into the MTR for content sharing. So now everyone that's remote sees my canvas completely. If I'm moving this around, they'll see that moving around. And if you want to see what that looks like, on an actual Teams, on a remote person that's in Teams, this is my laptop. You'll see here, I see the canvas there, and I see all the remote participants. If I move the canvas around, you can see that's moving over there. So we're sharing the canvas into the Teams call. And also, what we can also do though is say, me as a remote person, I want to share some content, so then I can just hit the share button on my Teams app, share my screen, pull this, and then at that moment I would slide the canvas up, pull up the content window that's coming from the MTR, and this is what the remote person is sharing. I'll move it around on my laptop and you see it moving up there. So it gives you all the capabilities. You can share the canvas into the Teams call using the MTR. Remote people can share their content. It comes up here on the screen. It's supporting full 4K, so it has very high resolution. And so this is a demonstration of using Microsoft Teams Room with ThinkHub. For more information, go to our website, t1v.com.